In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up data within Google Sheets. So like what I want to do, I'm going to show you how to split names into separate columns, how to remove duplicates and create a unique list. So for this first set of data, what I want to do is split the first and last name into their own columns. So what I'm going to do is highlight this data, select data, go to split text to columns, and I'm going to click on this because it's not detecting separator between the names. When I click this, I'm going to select space because it's a space between the first and last name. And when I do that, it splits the first and last name up into their own column. We're going to do the same thing here, but with this data, it's separated by commas. So watch what happens when we do the same thing here. Go to data, split text to columns, and it automatically detected commas and it put everything into its own column. So here, what I'm going to do is remove all the duplicates, and you can do this for multiple columns at a time. So what I'm going to do here, go to data, go to cleanup and remove duplicates, and yep, that's fine. It's asking, does the columns that I selected, does it have a header row? It does, but I didn't highlight the header row, so I don't need to check this off. The columns to analyze, both of those columns are fine, and I'm just going to click remove duplicates, hit OK, and this is what I'm left with. Here I'm gonna do the same thing. I'm going to remove the duplicates, and I'm going to also separate the colors into their own column. But first I'm going to remove the duplicates. So I'm going to select all this, go to data, data cleanup, remove duplicates. Yep, that's fine. Remove duplicates. Okay. But look at what happened here. These are duplicates. And the only reason why it didn't recognize this as a duplicate, because we have an extra space here. But Google Sheets has a feature where it can trim that white space. So we go back to data, go to cleanup, and where it says trim white space, we click that. It identified 2 items in that list we have with white space, and it trimmed. Click OK. Now I'm going to remove the duplicates again because we have these duplicates here. And when we do that, go back to data, data cleanup, remove duplicates. Yep, that's fine. It found 2 more duplicates. Remove those. Now what I want to do is split the colors into their own columns. Just like we did with the first and last name data, we're going to split text to columns. It tried to detect a separator, it couldn't, so I'm going to specify one. We don't have the dash here, so what I'm going to do is click custom, put a dash here, and when I do that, it separated the colors into their own column. That's a couple of ways you can clean your data up. If you found this video helpful, go ahead, smash that like button. If you're new, subscribe for more tips like this.